Okay, what she is actually doing? So find out something under your tables. You might find something. Hurry up, quickly. Find out. Hurry up. Okay. There is an activity, talk activity. You will there might be a question coming on my slide, and you will tell yourself this is the time of the confession now. You will confess in front of us. Everyone, after confessing, you will pass on to the other person by calling the name. Okay? But you have to do this. Talk. Okay? Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Ready? Yes. Ask yourself, who will be, okay, Miss Basla, you are am I satisfied with my life? Ask yourself while looking at the mirror.
Yes.
Tell to yourself. Yes. Be truthful, because the people will come in your life and they will go, but the person will remain always, the person in the mirror will remain always with you. So be truthful and honest to that person. Okay. No, you have to pass on to the other group. Talk. No, they are having their, say simple, talk. Next question is for you, Miss Nadia. Do I blame others for my mistakes? Okay, Sajjal, you put on your, Sajjal, you put on your clothes late, so I am late just because of you in school. Have you ever blamed, have mama blame on you?
I am blameful.
Okay. tell to yourself. Okay. Mr. Adnan, am I willing to change my attitude?
No.
Tell to the mirror, look at the mirror and ask yourself. Tell to yourself. And promise to yourself, what I can do to solve the next talk. Okay, what I can do to solve my problems and difficulties.
Redo them.
Miss Sana, I learn in online classes or the traditional classes? I learn. Where I learn? In online classes or in traditional classes?
Traditional classes.
In traditional classes you learn the most. What was a difficult time for you? In online classes or difficult the traditional classes? Online classes. My experience, if you are agree, then you may raise your hand. My experience that I learned most things in online classes, because that was a difficult time for me, but I learned in that difficult time period. How many of you are agree? If you are agree, then raise your hand. If you learned something new in these online classes. So we agree that we learn in difficult time. So Thank you. So difficulties in your life don't come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential, basically. Agree or not?
Yes.
Thank you. So what happened? When there is a self-awareness, there comes the awareness. You become there comes the responsibility, sense of responsibilities. And you become the master. When there is a sense of responsibilities and ownership, you become the master of inner and outer life, right? And which leads you towards the positivity, and this positivity becomes the reason of your transformation into good human being. When you stop blaming others or for your mistakes, or you're basically making yourself satisfied with this. Don't tell a lie to yourself. Be truthful to yourself. Then you will be having a change. You will transforming like this, like a butterfly. Everything changes for the better when you take ownership of what you do. So I hope that you people will promise today that you will take ownership of what actually you do, your actions. Yes or no? How many of you are promise? Okay. If you have not been doing it, you can start from today. Okay. Now it's a wrap-up time. Means it's a Swedish time for you people. Now you have to do another activity. Summarize today's session on the chart paper in a unique way like this. We are going through from the workshops. You need to present on it. On these chart papers, the chart paper is in front of you. And then you will paste it. The group who will complete the task first. I am going to give you, you need to paste it over here, Miss Nadia. You will paste it over here, you will paste it at the back. Hurry up.